First, let's start with variables. Variables are like boxes where we can store information. In JavaScript, we can create variables using let, const, or the older var keyword. Here in this code, I used let for name, const for age, and var for city. Let's print them out. Notice that let and const are modern and preferred, while var is older and behaves differently in certain cases. Variables can store different types of data like strings, numbers, booleans, and more. Let's see some examples. Here we have a boolean, a decimal number, null which means empty on purpose, and undefined which means it hasn't been assigned a value yet. Next, let's go into arrays. Arrays are the lists that can store multiple values in one variable. They are just like lists in the shopping cart. We can add and remove items from arrays using built-in methods like push off or pop off. We can also loop through an array to see all its elements, and also we can find the length of the array, like it means how many elements are present in that array. Now let's look at functions. Functions are reusable pieces of code that perform a specific task. Functions can also take multiple parameters, like here we can see two examples of multiplying two numbers and also adding two numbers. We also have arrow functions which are even shorter, and we can even give a parameter as a default value. Next, let's go into objects. Objects store information in key value pairs. Each key is like a label for its value, means each key is a property that has a value. We can access properties in this objects using the dot notation, and we can also add new ones anytime. Here we added country using person.country. The greet method uses this dot name to access the object's own data. Next, finally, going into the loops. Loops helps us run the same code multiple times. There is no need to run the same code again and again. These loops like for, while give us a chance to run the code many times.